It was humanity's dream, even in ancient times, to remove an incurable organ and replace it with a healthy one. With organ transplantation, this dream became reality. Organ transplantation. Transplantation happens between the person who gives the organ, the donor, and the one who receives it, the recipient. In the past 50 years, transplantation became an established practice worldwide, benefiting hundreds of thousands of people. Operations of this kind have grown in number over the last 20 years. These days, organ transplantation is not only the most cost-effective treatment in case of end-stage renal failure, but it is the only available treatment to save the lives of those who have liver, lung, or heart failure. Transplantations happen in a clear and traceable way with the help of national and international cooperation. It can only be done in centres prepared and professionalised for these operations. Hospitals that report and manage donors operate independently from transplantation centres, with coordinator organisations keeping in contact with both sides. Recipients who get the organs are selected from a waiting list considering their medical state and equity. However, organ transplantations have risks. It is a very important requirement of organ transplantation to minimise any risks associated with the transmission of diseases. Well-organised national and international transplantation systems and use of the best available expertise, technology, and innovative medical treatment can significantly reduce the associated risks of transplanted organs for recipients. The purpose of transplantation is saving the lives of patients and providing them with the opportunity for a longer and better quality life. Organ transplantation saves lives.